and welcome to my video, and today we're talking about Circuit Specialists CSI 474A+. Right now I'm working on a mixer, Soundcraft Studio Spirit mixer, and it has probably thousands of capacitors. So I kind of wanted to buy one of these desoldering stations, but I was perplexed and I didn't know which one to buy. So I finally bit the bullet and I bought this one. It's Circuit Specialists CSI 474A+. It looks pretty bare bones on the front, like there's no digital readout or anything. I haven't actually opened it up, so I don't know. I was watching some other videos and I don't know what the size of the pump, or if it's an AC or DC pump or anything like that. I think it's based on another Chinese model, but it's just rebranded Circuit Specialists. And the price is really good. I'm looking at their European website. It's including taxes, it's $95.99 euros or pounds. So yeah, I got it for around 100. I think it was 150 euros or 150 American dollars. I can't remember, but it wasn't that. It was a good price. I think it was around 100 actually. Around 100. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was the same price right here. So I'm looking at the website right now, and it says including taxes 95.99. I think that's the euro sign. Oh yeah, here it's in Great British pounds. So it's $115, 115.19 euros. So it's turned on right now. I have it at a setting of between 5 and 6 on the dial, and that seems to be a good sweet spot for getting a good quick desoldering action happening. Okay. So let's talk about the gun itself. On the desoldering gun, this whole front part unscrews, and it's got a couple of tools that comes with it, so you can it's got like a poker, so you can actually poke it into the little hole there. I think it comes with 2 or 3 different sized nozzles. You unscrew the whole top fitting, and then you can put a new nozzle on it. And it's got a mini, really long drill bit tool, and a really long poker tool, so you can, if anything gets stuck in there, you can try to de-jam it, like any solder gets stuck in there. Okay, now I'll take it apart and show you the other parts. Okay, here, maybe you can listen to it. That's what it sounds like. There is actually an indicator too, that'll turn red if it's jammed. You can see it right there. It's a little hole with a circle. And it's blue when it's not jammed, and when the unit is jammed up, it'll go red. Okay, and so there's a button at the back of it. And if I press that button, then I can take it apart to clean it. Okay, so you have to push down on the button. You can see I have a new filter in there that's totally clean. Okay, this is inside the cartridge where it catches all of the solder that you suck out. That spring that I'm showing you will get clogged with solder. Okay, now I'm going to show you the filter. These are homemade filters that I made. There's something called ceramic cloth. You can buy ceramic cloth on eBay and then make your own filters, which are much better than the filters that you get. The filters that come with the unit they look like really horrible sponge that would just they look like they would melt, and they'd let any lead or solder through and probably wreck the machine pretty quickly. So now I'm going to show you where I put the filter. This is where my filter and where it goes. Okay. And you'll see this filter is a little bit dirty. So I'll probably be replacing that soon. And you just tuck the filter in this opening here. Okay, so I'll show you the ceramic cloth. There's a roll of ceramic cloth, and I basically just use scissors and I cut myself a round filter as best I can, using the original filter as a template. So yeah, that's pretty easy, and I think you can buy a sheet of this ceramic cloth for a couple dollars on eBay. Maybe a little bit more, maybe it's like $20, I can't remember now. But it would probably last you for like a couple of years anyways. What else can I say about it? It does get clogged pretty quick. The pump action is good, it's got a decent amount of pump on it. The heater's good. Like I said, you have to put it up to between 5 and 6, but it heats up pretty quick, and it'll melt your solder almost instantly at that setting. I'll show you where the other filter goes. As you can see, there's another filter in there as well. So I replaced that both of those filters, and then there's pretty much hardly any chance of any solder getting right into the pump at all. So yeah, I mean, this has at least doubled my time of desoldering components. It's at least by double the speed that I can desolder components with this machine. Sorry for the feedback. So anyways, that's it. It shipped pretty quickly from Circuit Specialists. I think they're all over the world. I think they're in Europe, and I'm pretty sure I got mine in the United States, from the United States, and I'm in Canada, and it shipped really quickly. It was around Christmas time, and I got it within like a week or a week and a half, and I also had to pay duties on top of that, so I was hit with the duties as well, which was maybe another $40. So thanks for watching.